Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and happy at your home. Today, we are just starting a very important topic of mathematics ICSE class 10, that is matrices. Okay, so what do you mean by matrix? Very first, we are starting with matrix. होता क्या है? See, the matrix is nothing but a rectangular array arrangement. A rectangular arrangement of numbers is called matrix. Okay, it is used in solving system of linear equations. Okay, when you will just go in class 12th, you will be studying how to utilize the matrix method to solve a system of linear equation. Okay, so a rectangular arrangement of numbers. What kind of rectangular arrangement? Please see that. See, it is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. Any number may be there, the elements of the matrix. This is a matrix, and the matrix may be denoted by any of the capital letter of English. Okay, A is this matrix, B is another matrix, see that C is another matrix, okay, D is another matrix, so these are the different matrix. As you can say, see they are having different kind of or different number of elements. So what are they exactly? You can see there are two kind of arrangement. If you will see, this is a horizontal arrangement. Okay, so this is horizontal arrangement number 1 and this is horizontal arrangement number 2. Okay, if suppose on the same in the same matrix, we'll see the vertical arrangement also. This is the vertical arrangement number 1, vertical arrangement number 2 and vertical arrangement number 3. So what is this? How we represent a matrix? This is a question. So please very first note down that by just making pause the video. Okay, now I am just making this clean for writing some important terms related to a matrix. Okay, see, very first and foremost term related to matrix is the order of matrix. This is again one of the most important definition, that is the order of matrix. Order of matrix. What do you mean by order of the matrix? See, this is very simple term of matrix. See, the number of rows multiplied by number of columns is called order of a matrix. Okay, what does it mean? See, that's very simple. Suppose I am writing a matrix A is here and it is 1 3 minus 2 4 7 9. So the horizontal arrangement is called row and the vertical arrangement is called column. So how many horizontal arrangements are there? See, it is 1 and this is 2. So there are two rows, R1 and R2. Row number 1 and row number 2. If suppose we are just taking a look of columns, so columns here you can see that there are column number 1, this is vertical arrangement C1, second vertical arrangement C2, third vertical arrangement C3. Are you getting? So 2 rows and 3 columns it is having. So the order of matrix A is 2 cross 3. This is the order of matrix A. Do you have any doubt? Now if suppose I am writing another matrix B. So B is 1, 3, 5. Okay, this is the matrix B. Okay, so what is the order of matrix B? Can you determine the order of matrix C? Row number 1, row 2, row 3 and column 1. So 3 cross 1 is order of matrix B. Is there any doubt? I don't think you are having any doubt in this. That's very easy, very simple to determine the order of matrix. Okay, and in the board examination you may have some questions related to order of the matrix. Okay, I'll solve the kind of question. You just see once more. I am giving the example. What is the order of that matrix? Definitely 3 cross 3 is order of matrix C. Okay, now if suppose the order is written in the same way, order may never be written like in the product form. 2 multiply 3, 6, you have written 6 is the order of matrix. No, it will be wrong. The order of matrix is 2 cross 3. Then what is 6? 6 is the number of element does it have. Okay, 6 इसका element हो सकता है. So suppose 6 element, one matrix is having 6 element. So what may be the possible order? We should talk on this. Please, you just note down that by making pause the video. Okay, I hope you have written. Now I am just drawing the matrices by taking 6 element. Okay, we should draw all the matrix which may have 6 element. So suppose I am just writing a matrix A. It is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2. 6 element are you having? So its order is 1 cross 6. Okay. Now if another matrix I am having, matrix B, it may be 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. It's also having 6 element. Its order is 2 cross 3. Okay. Now there is another matrix C. It may be like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. In the sense 3 cross 2. It may be the order. So if a matrix is having 6 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can see in each and every matrix the number of elements are same. So if the matrix is having 6 elements, what may be the possible order? This may be the one of the important question. Okay, one more matrix it is possible. See that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2. This is the order of the matrix. This is the 6 cross 1 order of matrix. Is there any doubt? See, same number of elements are there, but matrix may be different. Why? Because order of matrix is different, totally different. Here the order is 1 cross 6. Same matrix, order may be 2 cross 3. Same matrix, order may be 3 cross 2. Same matrix, order may be 6 cross 1. So these all are the 4 different matrix. Okay, there is no relation at all in this matrix. In matrix के बीच में कोई relation नहीं है. Try to understand that. Okay, so now I am just making it clean and I am writing a question for you all. That may be the first question of this chapter. See, if a matrix may have 12 elements. 12 elements. Elements means the number does it have will be the same as the element. If a matrix may have 12 elements, what may be its possible order? बताइए solution है ना. If a matrix may have 12 elements, so we should write 12 as the factors. 12 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? See that 12 can be written as 12 into 1. and 1 into 12. Are you agree with that? 12 को या तो हम 12 into 1 लिखेंगे या 1 into 12, both are the matrices, है ना. 12 can be written as 2 into 6 or 6 into 2, both are again two different matrix, है ना. 12 can be written as 3 into 4 or 4 into 3, again both are the matrix. Is there any else? No. So we'll write, okay, given that there are some matrix there are some matrix having some matrices having 12 elements. So their possible order may be, इनका पॉसिबल ऑर्डर क्या हो सकता है? देखिए 12 क्रॉस 1, 1 क्रॉस 12, ठीक है, 2 क्रॉस 6, 6 क्रॉस 2, ओके, 3 क्रॉस 4 and 4 cross 3. That may be this may be the solution of this question. That's very simple question that you can better understand. See, please make pause video and note down the question. That's very simple question. You can see that the solution is rather very easy. I hope this is the easy question and you understood it. Okay, now we are just going ahead. Now we should talk about the types of matrix. How many kind of matrix are there? So types of matrices. Okay, for that I am not writing any definition. I am just making a diagram and I will make you understand all such things. Okay, as you know, a matrix of, suppose a matrix is there and its order is m cross n. m cross n का एक matrix आपके पास है यहाँ. Then what many kind of matrix may be there? कौन कौन से matrix possible है? देखिए ये diagram आप देखेंगे, then it is time saving as well as you understood all the kind of matrix. आप समझ जाएंगे कितने तरह के matrix होते हैं, है ना. Very first मैं कह रहा हूँ कि m into n ऑर्डर है if n is 1, if n is equal to 1, मतलब m rows are there but columns are 1 only, column is 1 only, so it will be like this. कुछ इस तरह का मैट्रिक्स होगा ये. So it is called, you can see that one column is there, so it is called column matrix. Okay, a matrix which has only one column is called column matrix. Okay, if m is equal to 1, if there are only one row and many columns, so it will be like this. Okay, so in this case it will be called as row matrix. A matrix has only one row and many columns, it is called the row matrix. Is there any doubt? Now m may be equal to n, m equal हो सकता है n के, so in this case it will be like this. Suppose a1, a2, b1, b2. So this is the, so its order is 2 cross 2, है ना. So if m is equal to n means number of rows and number of columns are equal, the matrix is called square matrix. Do you have any doubt? Column matrix, row matrix, square matrix. Now the fourth kind of matrix we should see is the unit matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements are 1 only. Okay, all the diagonal elements are 1, 1 0 0 1. Okay, it is a kind of a square matrix. ऐसा square matrix जिसके diagonal element, these are called the diagonal element. Okay, diagonal elements are 1, it is called the unit matrix. Okay, so column matrix, row matrix, square matrix, unit matrix, null matrix. What is null matrix that you should know? Null matrix in the sense when all the elements of a matrix are 0, it is called null matrix. Do you have any doubt in this? I don't think you are having any doubt in this kind of matrix. Please make pause the video and note down this fast. As I think you have written and you understood rather. ठीक है, अब मैं इसमें कुछ टाइप और बताता हूँ. These are the 4 types. You definitely have written all the types. Suppose a matrix is there who is having only diagonal element, so it is called diagonal element. Means that unit matrix is a kind of diagonal matrix. Okay, in the sense 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. It is called the diagonal matrix. It is also represented as diagonal 1 2 3. You will understand that it is 3 cross 3 matrix as 3 diagonal elements are there. You must understand that in diagonal matrix there should be every diagonal matrix should be square matrix. Now a rectangular matrix. See, if m is not equal to n, if rows are not equal to columns, so it will be like this or it will be like this. In both the cases the matrix will be rectangular matrix. Okay, now that is all. Equal matrix I am just making different definition. Please note down diagonal matrix and rectangular matrix. Now we are just coming on the equal matrix. Sorry. So when the two matrices are equal, equality of two matrix. Okay. So we are writing the definition of equal matrices. Equal matrices. So two matrices are called equal only if their all elements are equal and matrix have same order. Okay, if two matrices are equal means they must have same order and they should have the equal elements. Like if A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 2, 9 suppose, है ना? So A, its order is 2 cross 3. Its order is 2 cross 3. So A is equal to B. It implies that A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5, D is equal to 7. That D is equal to 7. E is equal to minus 2 and F is equal to 9. They are called the corresponding elements. Okay. So they are all elements. They are all corresponding. You must write their corresponding elements instead of that. Okay, corresponding elements are equal. Okay, and their order is same. So that is all in the equal matrix. Please, you must pause the video and you should write what are the equal matrix. I hope you understood that particular topic of the matrices, equality of matrices. Now we are just coming on the operations on matrices. Okay, operations on matrices. Okay, so operations, very first addition or subtraction. So approximately same operation, addition or subtraction, है ना? Addition, two matrices are can be added. When? And only when their order is same, and only their corresponding elements will be added. Means first element of first row will be added in the first element of first row of the second matrix. Okay, see that how the addition or subtraction is possible only when order of matrices are same. Okay, the order of matrices are same. The element of new matrices will be the sum or difference of corresponding elements of two matrices. ओके, जो नया मैट्रिक्स रहेगा उसका ऑर्डर भी सेम रहेगा, एंड द इट्स एलिमेंट विल बी द सम और डिफरेंस ऑफ द गिवन टू मैट्रिसेस. लाइक दिस, इफ A is equal to 2 3 1 5 6 7 सपोज, है ना. B is another matrix. B is equal to -3 2 5 7 -3 7 0 suppose. Then what is A plus B? A plus B is just the matrix of the elements of just the addition or subtraction of the corresponding elements. Means 2 minus 3 2 minus 3 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 6 plus 5 6 plus 5 1 plus 7 1 plus 7 5 minus 3 5 minus 3 7 plus 0 7 plus 0. So we'll get the result -1 5 11 and 8 2 and 7. Is there any doubt? This is the simplest solution. Okay, please note down this fast. Note down by just making pause video. That's very simple, the addition or subtraction. Now we are just starting. We should see some more example of the addition and subtraction with the scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication in the sense what? When a matrix is A, see, scalar multiplication, suppose A is here 1 2 5 7. Then if suppose we are multiplying by 2A, so it will be 2 1 2 5 7, and this 2 will be multiplied in all the elements of that, means 2 4 10 and 14. This is the value of 2A. You understood? So this is called the scalar multiplication of matrices. Now we should solve the question. See there, I am just solving a question that's very simple. If I am writing, see, let A is equal to 2 1 7 5 minus 3 2 and B is equal to 1 minus 3 2 5 0 3. Okay, then find the value of, then find the value of 3A minus 2B and 4A plus 3B. Okay, that's very simple, है ना. Now solution. Given that, very first we'll write given. A is equal to, we should write A 2 1 minus 3 7 5 2, and what is B? It is 1 2 0 minus 3 5 3. Okay, then what is directly we are writing the value of 3a minus 2b. So 3a is equal to 3 times the a, 3 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3 minus 9, 3 7 the 21, 3 5 the 15, 3 2 the 6, and minus 2b will be equal to, see that minus 2 is multiply minus 2 minus 4 0 minus minus plus 6 minus 10 minus 6. Is it clear? Now I am just determining 2a minus 3b by adding these matrices. 3a minus 2b is equal to 6 minus 2, 3 minus 4 minus 9 plus 0, 21 plus 6, 15 minus 10, 6 minus 6. Now we are just solving 6 minus 6, sorry. So 4, now minus 1, minus 9 and 27 and 5 and 0. This is the value of 3a minus 2b. Is there any doubt? I don't think there is any doubt in the question. कोई भी इसमें डाउट नहीं है. Please make pause and note down that. I hope you solved that, written that. Now I am just making it clean and we are just solving the second one, that is 4a plus 3b. So I hope 4a plus 3b determined by you all. आप लोग कीजिएगा इसका 4a plus 3b. Now I think we just finished the addition and subtraction of the two matrices. Now we should see the product of matrices, multiplication of matrices. This is the definitely last column, last topic of that particular chapter. See, product of two matrices. Product of matrices. See, for product of matrices, you will have to just multiply all the elements of row with the elements of column. In the sense, number of columns of first should be equal to the number of rows of second. This is the minimum condition. How? See, we are just two matrices A and B are multiplicative if and only if the number of columns of first is equal to number of rows of second. How is this? See, suppose A is a matrix of order A cross B and B is a matrix of column C, order C cross D. Then they are multiplicable. A cross B is possible if, कब होगा? When B is equal to C. B is equal to C means B is the number of columns of first and this is the number of rows of second. This should be equal, and the order of new matrix, the order of AB will be A cross D. This will be the order of the matrix and this should be equal. Is it clear? A cross B, C cross D. A cross D will be the order of new matrix. This. Is it clear? And B and C should be equal. समझ में आ गया? Please note down this fast. Then after we'll see the product of the two matrices. I hope you have solved the given, written the given things. Now we are just coming on the product of the two matrices, how to determine. Okay, तो चलिए हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Let A is equal to 2 3 5 7 9 6. It's a matrix of order 2 cross 3. Okay, now B is a matrix 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 3 1. It is a 3 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so is the product possible? Very first we'll see that. सबसे पहले हम ये देखेंगे कि क्या इनका प्रोडक्ट पॉसिबल है. चलिए देखते हैं. So solution A is equal to 2 3 5 7 9 6. Its order is 2 cross 3, and B is 2 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 1. Its order is 3 cross 2. चलिए हम ऑर्डर को क्लोज रखते हैं. 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2. This is equal to this, means yes they are multiplicative, and the order of new matrix is 2 cross 2. नया मैट्रिक्स बनेगा 2 cross 2 का. Are you agree with that? फिर से समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स ऑफ फर्स्ट शुड बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ रोज ऑफ सेकेंड. पहले के में जितने कॉलम है उतनी रोज सेकेंड में होनी चाहिए. मतलब 2 cross 3 में ये 3 cross 2 का है, so that should be equal. If they are equal, then only they are multiplicable, and the order of new matrix will be 2 cross 2. That's very simple. Okay, so now we are just multiplying the given matrix. अब हम multiply करके देखते हैं. बड़े गौर से देखिएगा how to multiply the matrix. A cross B. We are just writing A and B closer. AB is equal to A is 2 3 5 7 9 6. And B is 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 1. Okay, now AB, what will be the AB? Okay, so see that यहाँ देखो first row will be multiplied in first column. This multiply will take place with the corresponding element. Means 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by minus 3. Is it clear? This will be the first element of the matrix, new matrix. The same row, this again will be multiplied in this, means 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5 into 1. Is there any doubt? I don't think you are having any doubt in this. Okay, so now we need to determine the second element. So second element will be determined by the second row with the same multiply. Very first by this column and then by this column. Row by column आप याद रखिए बस. 7 is multiplied by 2 plus 9 is multiplied by 3, 6 is multiplied by minus 3. In similar way 7 is multiplied by minus 1 plus 9 is multiplied by minus 2 and 6 is multiplied by 1. So now we need to solve and determine the final answer. See, 4 plus 9 13 minus 15 minus 2. Is there any doubt? Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 plus 5 minus 3. 7 2s are 14, 9 3s are 27, 14 and 27 41 minus 18, 41 minus 18, this will be 23. Okay, now minus 7 minus 18 minus 25 plus 6 minus 19. So this is a matrix AB. Do you have any doubt? See that, check it. This is the product of two matrices. So what we did is, see, we started with the definition of matrices, types of matrices, then addition and subtraction of matrices. Then after we have seen the scalar product of the matrices, and then at last product of matrices. Okay, so that is all in this lecture. In second lecture, matrix second, I'll just provide you the complete practice of all the questions of last year or last 5 years. Okay, so please all the ICSE students, share the link with your friends. सभी स्टूडेंट, सभी जो आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं ICSE के, उन सभी को लिंक शेयर करो. सब्सक्राइब द चैनल and please watch the maths and complete your maths at the earliest possible. Bye. Have a nice day.